Let me show you what I received with this scanner. The scanner comes in this sturdy case. These cases are typically high quality, designed to protect the device inside. As you can see, it includes a tripod. This tripod is excellent, made of metal, and performs very well. Here we have a stand used for the calibration plate, which I'll show you in a moment. This is the scanner itself, the screen, and the back where the sensors are located. If we turn the case around, we find the first compartment, which holds some markers. These are used when the part being scanned lacks the necessary features for regular scanning. In those cases, specific markers like these are required. You can see that they have a diameter of 10 millimeters, but the central section actually measures 6 millimeters, and that is what is seen by the scanner cameras. Behind the first compartment, there's a strap to help carry the case. The scanner isn't exactly lightweight. It weighs over half a kilo. Next, we have the calibration plate. This plate is used to calibrate the scanner for faster scanning modes, and also for smaller objects. It needs calibration in both ways because the scanner has two types of sensors. The power adapter is of very high quality. It's USB-C, supports 100 watts, also it seems, and comes included. The cable is from a well-known brand and not OEM, and was part of the package. However, I didn't receive all the accessories for some reason. In fact, it was clear my scanner had already been used, and it arrived quite dirty, so I had to clean it for first use, because all the cameras need to be cleaned to get good scans of the parts. Looking closer, you can see that, besides what I've shown, you're supposed to receive an item labelled C. I didn't get that. It appears to be a strap for the scanner, but I only received a strap for the case. This item labelled H, which looks like a figurine, was also missing, as well as item F, which is essentially a materials list. In any case, I received what was necessary to use the scanner.